Seriously, I think I have a rash on here. I'm not joking. Like, I can't remember the last time I held one of these. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the range. My name is Trey with Ghost Tactical, and by popular demand, we're going to do something that we normally don't do. So we're all fudded up, and we're going to do a shotgun review. Now, I know that this might come to surprise to a lot of people. Like I said, I don't like shotguns. I usually don't feel good about them, but you know, we're gonna do a shotgun review. I always joke about getting look. I've got rashes on my face. I'm allergic to shotguns, so I'm gonna try to do my best. I'm itching all over. We're gonna try to talk about this Beretta 682, but I don't know how long we're gonna get through it. So let's look. Oh, all right. I'm sorry, guys. I couldn't do it. I had to get back to it. I feel so much better. The rash instantly went away. I couldn't. I tried. I'm sorry out there to everybody that wanted to do the shotgun. Probably the worst shotgun review you've ever seen. I get it. I couldn't do it. So what we're all going to do talk about today is our truck gun / home defense gun, and it's a Foxtrot Mike FM9 5.5 inch AR9 pistol. We've got Sylvan Arms. Go ahead. It is clear for the YouTubers down there. We have the Sylvan Arms folding brace. Put it in a backpack, store it pretty simply. Got a Bushnell red dot, got the Streamlight TRL RM light on there, light laser combo. Love it with a little pressure pad. Love this thing. Pretty simple setup. Got a CMC AR pistol 9 trigger in there, great trigger. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of shoot this a little bit, get back to our tactical side, if you will, and not be a FUD. So yeah, we'll have some fun with this one. So guys, if you're looking for a great truck gun, if you're looking for a home defense gun, this is what I run now. Leave the kind of the pistol maybe on the nightstand, keep it for backup or whatever. If I have to do something, CQB or whatever, this is what I'm going with. I do love it. It's lightweight. It's a great gun. Foxtrot Mike did a great job with this. So yeah, if you guys are out there looking for one, check out Foxtrot Mike. If not, check out any of the AR9s. I know people might not be great fans of them. They do come in handy for a lot of different reasons. Maybe a truck gun, a home defense gun, something like that. You're going to get a lot more capacity. You're going to still be able to do a lot of stuff with it, but it's a great gun. So check out the any AR9, but especially the Foxtrot Mike. Once again, I want to say I'm sorry to all the guys out there expecting this to be a shotgun review. I tried, bro. I really did. I started getting rashes. I started getting hives. Couldn't breathe real well. It is what it is, but we tried. Maybe we'll try to come back and do it again some other time. Well, guys, get out to the range. Be more proficient with your firearms. Take someone new to the range. Make sure they have a fun, safe experience with their first chances out there. Most importantly, just enjoy your freedoms of being an American, and that's one of those is shooting guns. We'll see you soon. Semper Fi.